Hey guys, today we're gonna clean the boat. My son and I are out here cleaning the boat, and we're gonna do a product review on this Koenig Spray Wax and Polish cleaner. And I will tell you, the first time I came across this, I came across it at the Miami International Boat Show, and I was talking to Dan. He's the owner of the company. He's the one that started it. Super nice guy. Unbelievable human beings, very, very good people. And he was showing me how this worked. And I'll tell you, you have a boat, you use it like we're always on this boat. You're skeptical, right? You see a lot of things on TV and they say they work great. Then you come and you put it to application and it doesn't have the same easy effect as you saw. But you know, talking with Dan there, I said, you know, what the heck? I'm very skeptical about it. I'm gonna try and I'm gonna purchase it. I purchased a couple cans and I came home and we cleaned the boat and we polished the hull, and I was blown away by it. And we have left the boat now. It's been a year and a half. Boat is extremely dirty on the outside. I want to show you a live demonstration of how amazing this product is and how it works. Now, we put our boat through a lot with sport fishing and commercial fishing, and it gets dirty. So we use this spray we're going to show you right now. Not only do we believe in it, we stand behind it, but we also use it on our own boat, and we use it for everything. We use it for our hard top, on our T-top, on the roof of the boat, our leaning post, our gunnels, all throughout the entire boat we use it. It works excellent. It does an excellent job on our outboard motors, and it also does an amazing job on our windshield. Not only does it clean it, it gives it a great polish and shine, but it also puts a protective layer on it, so when the salt water and the spray is hitting it, the water just beads right off of the windshield. So guys, like I was saying before, you could see how dirty, and this is all from the marina, from us taking the boat out of the water. You see some of those drips. It's the harsh chemicals that we use on the non-skid floor to clean it. But you can see this right here. This is all the junk that's in the water. It's turning the boat yellow. You can kind of see here when you look at the side of the boat, we've cleaned the boat. It's stuck on there. Look at the reflection. So you can see, look at that reflection on the boat already. And this, guys, this is the side of the boat where we do all of the work on. We're sword fishing, We're doing our commercial crab traps. We do everything off of the starboard side. And that's why you can see some of these black marks right there are from the real thick rubber mats that we put on there so that the boat doesn't get damaged. But this is unbelievable shine that we've got right here already in this little section right here. And if you really have a lot of film on the boat or it's really dirty, you could do a second application. We'll clean it and polish it even more. And put the camera close here so they can see. You could already see the difference on this side here and on this side here with how clean the boat is coming out and shiny. Put it on the profile. Unbelievable shine. You can see the reflection of my hand, the towel on the side of the boat. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and keep going down the side of this boat. I don't think you want to see me do this for another 2 hours. And then I'm gonna come back and show you when we're all done. All right, guys, so we just completed, and I say we because I got about halfway, and when I let you guys go and I said I was gonna finish the rest of the boat, and thank God my son is here, all that weightlifting from football really came in handy, and he finished the other half of the boat. But we finished the whole side of the boat, hour and 45 minutes. We got the whole boat on this side done. Now we got to jump to the other side. But guys, if you want to go ahead and purchase this product, I'm going to put a link in the description below. And if you use the promo code Pescatarian_10, I'll also put that in the description below. You'll get 10% off of your complete order that you order today. So try it out on your boat. I promise you, you're going to be as happy as we were the first time that we used it and every other time. Incredible shine on the boat, the motors, our windshield, the gunnel, complete boat cleaner right here that you guys could use. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.